Ready to make your Caribbean cruise with Norwegian unforgettable? From thrilling adventures to total relaxation, here are the top 3 excursions you need to try on your next trip. Oh, and stick around for a bonus tip you won't want to miss. If you love adventure with a touch of luxury, this is for you. Picture yourself cruising on a catamaran, sipping a refreshing drink while the Caribbean breeze flows through your hair. Then it's time to jump into the water and snorkel in some of the most vibrant reefs you've ever seen. It's the perfect mix of excitement and relaxation. And the views? Absolutely stunning. Next up, a classic Caribbean beach day, but better. This excursion includes a floating obstacle course that is a blast for kids and adults. You'll have access to comfy beach loungers, delicious food, and drinks like ice-cold beer and margaritas. Whether you're soaking up the sun or splashing in the water, it's the ultimate way to enjoy the perfect Caribbean weather. Now, if you're cruising with Norwegian, you have to visit their private destination, Harvest Key. It's a tropical playground with something for everyone. Try the thrilling zip line for incredible views, relax on the beach, or cool off in the massive pool. And the food? Absolutely delicious. It's like having a private slice of paradise all to yourself. And finally, here's your bonus excursion, Roatan's Maya Key Jungle. This one's a nature lover's dream. We saw playful monkeys, colorful parrots, and yes, even jaguars. Though ours decided to nap while we visited. This excursion is perfect for getting up close with incredible wildlife in a lush jungle setting. From snorkeling adventures to private island vibes and wildlife encounters, these excursions are what Caribbean dreams are made of. If you'd like to see our full experience on Norwegian Getaway, watch this next video here.